Good morning, everybody. This is Pinkie, the housewife. And also, this will be carried on my second channel, Pink Global. But good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, October the 10th of 2024. It's still morning time to me because I just woke up an hour ago. But right now, everything is breaking right now as we speak. Let me tell you what's going on right now. I'm trying to catch it before they bring Sean P. Diddy Combs in. I'm trying to catch it before they bring him in so you all can see that. Okay. Today, Sean P. Diddy Combs is appearing in court. He's appearing over his ex trafficking charges. Okay. Now, word on the street, word is that he do have a new legal team. Okay, he do have a new legal team. Let me say everything is alleged. This is my opinion only. And this video is made for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm speaking kind of fast because I do not want to miss them bringing him in. And I want to make sure I cast that to you all. Okay, so let me just go ahead and bring it up. So as soon as they bring him or we see the family or anything that you all would be in the know. Okay. Credit is going out to CNN, News 18. Okay. So we're doing there. This is live. All the big major outlets are covering this live. All the reporters out there. That is, I forgot her name. She's one of the attorneys for one of the newest victims that just came out. Aldridge. I think Gloria Aldridge. I think that's her name. Okay. Because one of her clients alleged that P. Diddy helped RAP her. Okay. And got a tape sold out on the that's being sold on the web, out on the web. Okay. Okay. So I'm trying to make sure I get tell you all this before everything. This is a live coverage, guys. This is live, so it's not that I wait. Let me just see. Let me just go check on something. The dog's supposed to be my dog's supposed to be coming and my baby. Let me just baby Phoenix. I'm gonna let this play while I go check. Let me just go look at the monitors, guys. Hold on for 1 second. That's him. They're here. Okay. Let me just try to say this right quick before. Let me just try to say this before I have to deal with them, and then I'll let you all watch this live too. Okay. But oh, they already just came in. Okay. Let me close my door. Hi, I'm coming out. Okay. 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 Sorry about that, guys. We got we got everybody. We got the dogs. The dogs are here, and I'm supposed to stay away from the dogs. Okay, because Bella the husky is too big and too strong for me to handle. The other one, Coda, I can handle. But let me just get this out, and I'll say hello to everybody. Make sure you all go ahead and hit the like button coming in. I need you all to go ahead and hit that like button coming in. Please do that. Okay. Um, so far, I see I got 7 watching and 6 likes. Let's make this match up for me, guys. You know, I like matchy things. I like everything to match, everything to look right. Um, so I need you all to help me to stay in the algorithm. Let me just do this here because I don't want so I can be quiet about this so we can watch this that's going on. Welcome to the Pink House. Hit that like button, the thumbs up. Hit that like button like now. Don't worry about later. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. And this also will be on my new channel, Pink Global, okay? As well as Pinkie the Housewife. Okay, so We don't want to miss anything. Okay? Don't want to miss a thing. I'm going to shout everybody out. I'm just trying to get everything situated. Uh, let me just tell them I'm coming. Give me 1 second, guys. Continue to watch. Okay. Hi, baby. Guys, I got baby Phoenix here. My first grandbaby ever, ever, ever. Hi, baby. He's sitting here. He's 6 months old. He's 6 months old, telling you 6 months old. Oh, he got two teeth in his mouth. He's standing. He can count to two. Yes. Oh, he's been counting to two since he was what, maybe 2 months old? Huh? You've been counting to two since you was 2 months old? Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. He's real smart. He never acted like a newborn. When he came out, you was a big baby. He couldn't wear preemies, could not wear newborn clothes, could not wear none of that. Say, I had to wear 3 months. He was in 3 months. In 12 months right now, it's too small for him. He's real long, very long. His cousin, that's 9 months old, his cousin slash brother, because these are two identical twin sisters that was pregnant at the same time. So they say technically these are brothers plus cousins. But anyway, um, his cousin is 9 months old. They got the teeth the same time when he was 9 months old, and Phoenix was sick, just turned 6 months old. Phoenix was having teeth coming in when he was coming in at 5, and then at 6 months old they're full, they're big, two front teeth. But he's longer than his cousin, and he way more than his cousin. And his cousin is 9 months old, and he's 6 months. Yeah, you're bigger than your cousin, right? Hmm. Okay. Okay. So, Phoenix, let me tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna shout everybody out. Okay. We're gonna shout everybody out. And you know what, Phoenix? I don't think Wanda would like you. You know why? Because because you one of them. She would not like you. Cause she don't like people that she don't know what color they are. She wouldn't, because she wouldn't know what color you are. Tell yeah. Phoenix. Phoenix is a beautiful baby, beautiful baby. He needs to go play with the brat, and Judy's a baby. No baby oil. Oh yeah, Phoenix only got 2 bottles of baby oil. 2 bottles of baby oil. He got what? Tell him what. Say. Let me say. Say hi. Say one. He got 2 bottles of baby oil. One in his room and one probably in my room somewhere. Oh, okay. Phoenix, I'm gonna let you go with baby girl. Okay? Can I let you go? Can I let you go? Okay. Okay. He likes that. Let me. Oh gosh. Uh-oh, did that hit your foot? Mm-hmm. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What, you gonna leave me now? Hmm? You gonna leave me? Okay. And he didn't say nothing. Do something. That outfit he got in his room hanging up, the last one that's hanging up, because if he don't wear it now, he won't be able to wear it. Can you put that on him?
A little bit.
The reason why I say that, I buy all these clothes. And we have to give them away because he can't wear anything. Hi. Hi. He's gone. Here, take this, somebody. Okay. Oh, this event has ended. Oh, okay. Let me see what's going on. I do have another one. I'll take that one down. Guys, I got another one I'm going to show. Let me put it up here. That one ended? Oh, okay. Let me pull up the other one. Ain't that strange? Okay, so let me get rid of this one and pull up the next one. Here it is right here. Okay, but before I pull it up, let me just go ahead and say hello to everybody. We got Jassy J in the house. Thank you for being here. Thank you. We got Veronica in the house. Thank you, Veronica, for being here. Janetta Speaks in the house. Renee Bass. Thank you guys for being in the Pink House, and good morning. It's still morning time to me because I wake up late. Roy, thank you for being here. No baby oil. We ain't doing that baby oil stuff. No, we ain't. Shirley Terry. You know what? I may try to see would the baby oil help heal my toe. I can do a video by taking a bottle of the baby oil, pouring it down the boot of my for my broken toe, and see what it help heal it. That's what I need to do. Or will the baby oil help heal me from surgery? If not, the diddler thinks the baby oil is the cure to everything. The diddler does. We getting ready to get back to this because we don't want to miss him in that courthouse. Okay. Good afternoon, Pinkie. Hope you're doing blessed. I am doing. Thank you, Tanya Renee. Renee, I haven't seen you in a while. And like Terry, Shirley, Roy, I haven't seen where y'all been. Okay. I should say where I've been. I've been out sick, guys. Let me go ahead and get up the next video for this crazy saga. But everybody should know that, he got a new attorney, right? Yeah, he got a new attorney. Not a new attorney, he got a new team. Because for some reason, let me just tell you, I don't mean to throw shade, but I didn't think that attorney was meeting up was meeting up to the standards. I really didn't. I did not think so. He did not meet up to the standards. Okay. Now let me go ahead and get a live going on from the courthouse because we can't miss this courthouse drama because let's say now he's been in lockup since Monday, September the 16th. That was the day he got locked up. And y'all know a man like that getting locked up, it's like crazy, crazy, crazy. Let me also just say, let's send prayers to everybody that's in Florida. If you in Florida, I have family members in Florida. I have a sister, I have a niece, I have cousins, I have aunts, I have second cousins, first cousins, third cousins. I got everybody in Miami and other parts of Florida. You name it, they all over the Florida. Okay? And we're going to send prayers out to them. Let me just do this while I get because we ain't going to miss this. I'm not missing this. I I'm not missing this. Y'all know his mom just went in there, right? Let me bring up the picture of his mom just walking into the courthouse. Let me see, do I have a picture somewhere? I had a picture. She just got out the she got out of the black SUV to go into the courthouse. Yeah, Mama Combs. Yes, she did. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of Mama Combs so you know who I'm talking about. That's Mama Combs right there. Let me ask y'all. Y'all know I'm not trying to be shady. Let me just say everything is alleged. This is my opinion only. And this video is made for entertainment and educational purposes only. Now, y'all know I'm not trying to be shady, right? Because I'm not trying to get myself laid up in a hospital bed fighting pneumonia or a strange illness. You know, I'm not trying to do that. Because it seems like people don't fare too well when they start fooling around, fooling with the diddler. They don't. Sometimes you be talking about them. You don't fare too well. This is the mama. This is her this morning, just got out of her black SUV, right? They pulled up and she got out. She ain't got the blonde wig on, but she got some type of blonde wig on. But let me tell you, if my son was a billionaire, you think I'm gonna have a jacked up wig laid to the side like that? Oh, my hair gonna be laid. That hair gonna be looking so good. I'm gonna be sashaying that hair all over the place. Oh, diddly. I don't mean that. I'm not throwing no shade because I don't want this man to come after me. I'm not talking about his mom. I'm just saying, if that was my son, not that I want Diddy to be my son. Oh no, I don't want him to be my son. No, I ain't saying that. I'm not saying that at all. I got a son. Then I got an adopted son too. So I got a son. I got a real son. That was you. Oh well, he was in here just a minute ago. That's Miss Combs getting out of the black SUV right now. That's her getting out. And as for the man, I don't know who he is, maybe a bodyguard. And the woman that was walking with her, I don't know who that is either. Maybe one of his assistants or managers or somebody, I don't know. And I'm not going to speculate who they are. I'm just going to show you the picture. That's all I'm going to show you. Did y'all know Diddy have a sister too? I bet y'all did not know that. He got a sister. She's not in none of this stuff, but that's his sister. She's an honest, hardworking person. She's not into his foolery, but that's his sister right there. Yeah, she's not into his foolery. I don't blame her. She stayed far away from all of that foolery. Yeah. Let me, okay. Here's the courthouse this morning. Let me just show it to you. Them at the courthouse. Where is it? I just had the courthouse. I just had that picture up. Oh, here it is this morning. Okay, that's the courthouse this morning. That's where everybody's gonna be this morning. Okay, this is in that you can see. I don't know the number of the courthouse. Number 500 on 500th Street. I don't know what street that is because I can look it up, but I ain't got time for all that. My job don't consist of looking up the courthouse street number. I miss you always in the bushes. Glad to see you back. Thank you. And tell Renise, you sometime better come out of them bushes so I can know you here. But then you can go back. But I love y'all. Do something for me. Make sure everybody go ahead and hit that like sign. Let me go ahead and bring up the next um, live stream. And then let me just bring it up right quick. Because we ain't about to go and miss this. We're going to catch all of this. Am I going to miss this? No, no. I would not miss this for nobody. I ain't missing this. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care whether you ain't about to get me to miss this. I would not miss this on the hair of my chinny chin chin. Because anything Diddy, I want to know. It's like, have you ever heard of these nosy family members? And I'm not saying I'm a family member of Diddy now. We're going to get that straight. Let me go ahead and pull it up. I'm not saying I'm a family member. Yes, I know. Thank you. I don't want to be no family member. I got an outstanding family member. That's why I'm saying the reason why I'm saying this. Okay, this is live, guys. Okay, so it's live. Let me just let them know I'm out here watching too. I'm not gonna hide in the bushes on this live like y'all be doing me. I'm gonna actually say hello to the chat. Can't say good morning to them. You know why? Because some of them may live in different places. They be saying, "You just waking up." I'm just saying hello to the chat and put my famous flowers here. Hello to the chat. Oh Lord. Hello to the chat. Let's get it popping. I typed in, let's get it popping. This is going to be a tornado going on here. He getting ready to do a tornado spin when he don't get his way. Okay, this is live at the courthouse. So when y'all see, I will see. We're gonna see this together. We ain't gonna let some of people see it. No, I'm showing this live. See, I just gave him my click. Yes, I did. Just click. I just clicked the button. Yeah, y'all need to come on in. Let everybody know. Go out there and tell everybody they come on in here. Come on in here because Pinkie got this going live. She is getting ready to show Diddy. And you know what? Why they showing some of this? I'm wondering, would it be a good idea? No, it won't be a good idea. Y'all just come on in here. Make sure you hit that like button. If y'all just hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Now, when we fooling around with Diddy, you never know. You never know what you're going to get. What's going to be popping out of here. I'm serious. Y'all think I'd be kidding. You never know what be popping out. You never know what's going to pop out. But he got a new legal team. Let's talk until they get started. Let's talk about some of the allegations. Let's talk about some of the things that's been going on ever since this man has been locked up. Okay? Because I got a lot. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and talk about it. It's live. So anything that goes down. Now, let me just tell you, I don't know how long this live is going to last. It depends on what goes on in the courtroom. I can't predict. See that courthouse right there? It's gonna all depends on what goes on in that place right there. So this live can be 1 hour, 30 minutes. Right now it's 26 minutes long right now. So I don't know. But let me get some of my paperwork on Diddy. Oh, before I do that, let me just, oh no, I don't want to mess up that one. Okay. Let me see. Let me get my notepad. So as I go over stuff, I know where I went and where I didn't go. So I can keep track of everything. Okay? Because I ain't got time for somebody coming here and knocking at my door. Are you the woman? Are you the Pinkie, the housewife that I was talking about? Diddy? Well, I'm one of his handlers. I'm one of his. You ain't nothing because I'm closing my door. Okay? You know, people end up in the worst way. Because even though he's behind bars, this man is still reaching out. I don't know how. I'm serious. Let me see what some of these people are saying too. Let me free brother love. Somebody talking about free brother love. No way out. Let me tell you, I read and I just knew this was just no, I ain't gonna say that. Because I'd be talking about it. I ain't gonna talk about that content created. Diddy is the truth. What? This is not going to be over until next year. Well, that's okay. That means we'll be reporting to next year. Take that, take that, take that. That's what Diddy, take that. Oh, gosh. Ain't no party like a Diddy party. Diddy ratted on the mayor. Oh, wait, let me go back and see what they said. Diddy ratted on the Mayor Adams and his whole crew got dismantled. Oh, y'all think he ratted on the mayor? I know he's doing some ratting. Let me see what they are saying. Justin, they said something about Justin Bieber. What was it? I think he should get bail. Oh, no, no, no. We ain't giving no bail to nobody named the Diddy. Because this man is, I'm just my personal opinion. This is just my personal opinion. You can't expect Diddy to do right if he get out of jail. Y'all should know that. He get out of jail, this man ain't gonna do right. Y'all know that. This man is gonna be tampering with witnesses, calling them up, having one of his people to call this person, call that person, call Justin Bieber, call Usher. They already had somebody to call Jaguar, but let me just say, let me mark that down. I already talked about that because there's so much I can say. What is today's date? The 10th. This is October the 10th. This is the Diddy. This is a party in the courthouse. Diddy party in the courthouse. That's what I should have called this. Diddy party. Diddy party in the courthouse. It's gonna be a party. Diddy say he getting his people to set it up the way he likes it to be set up. That's why he got all these new this legal team, because he getting ready to he got them setting up the way he wanted things to be set up, allegedly. I don't want to get sued about no Diddy. Now, other people, I don't mind, because then I can go toe to toe with them. But not a Diddy. I can't go toe to toe with no Diddy. No. I would just go somewhere and sit myself down and just say, you won. I'll take that video down. You right. I won't say that again. I'm going to get on and make a public apology. Yeah, that's what I would tell Diddy. Because I love me. I love my life. That's why I would say that. But anyway, let me just say this. With the Jaguar, right? Jag, okay? She received a phone call. Kim said she received a phone call recently. That phone call was from Ray J. You know who Ray J is? Ray J, Brenda's little brother. Him. That little short guy, right? Why is it he is always around? It's like he's the cleanup man. He's the bone collector. He's like the bone collector. Always got into something. Wait, let me see something. Hello, my baby. My baby. Guys, I just had to go get my beautiful, beautiful baby. Oh, wait, don't grab it there. Okay. I want you to help me to tell the story, Phoenix. Okay? Phoenix, I just want you to help me to tell this story, okay? So I got Phoenix sitting here with me. He's a very advanced baby. We're thinking he may be a prodigy or something because he got a very, very smart people that are very, very close to him. Very smart people say these are very, very smart people. Okay. Oh, you can't. I don't want you to pull that up. Okay, but anyway, Ray J is like a bone collector. And when I say a bone collector, think about where he get off calling what's her name? Jaguar. Jag. Where do he get off calling her about anything? None of this got nothing to do with him. So if it ain't got nothing to do with him, that's baby hitting the desk. If it ain't got nothing to do with him, why is he no, you don't eat paper, baby. Don't eat paper. If it ain't got nothing to do with him, why is okay, wait, give me 1 second. Okay, can I have the pen? Okay, let me give you this to play with. I'm gonna let you play with that. Okay. He called her. Let me see. I think I got that. Either I got that recording, or I got. Let me see. Do I have it? Because see, I didn't know this was going to pop up today. I did not know that I'm going to have to be going through this with this court thing. Oh yeah, I got to talk about something else too. I'm pulling up on my phone. I got a lot of stuff. Yeah, that means she wants you to come. Okay. I'm trying to find it. Until I find that, let me see. The call that Jack had. No, that's not it. It was a phone call. Maybe I'll turn it just so I can see it better. Hi, Justice. Thank you for being here this morning. We're trying to scope out the diddler, you know, and all his. Oh Lord, I need to put this up here. Let me. let me download this right quick so y'all can see it too. We're talking about the diddler. Today he's gonna have to be in there. And see that courthouse right there? He's gonna have to be in this courthouse. And there's no party like a Diddy's party. And this is in that courthouse. Right here. Let me move this out of my way so I can see. Okay. See that courthouse? He's going to have to be in that courthouse, Justice, today, which is October the 10th. You know, because he got a whole new legal team. I have questions about, maybe he may keep that man on, but I have questions about it. Now, I'm not saying that attorney is not smart, but I'm going to tell you something. You can look at a person and tell whether a person is scared of somebody. He looked like he was kind of scared of Sean. Just my opinion. It's my opinion. I'm not trying to start nothing. I'm not trying to do nothing. I'm just saying. He looked like he was kind of scared of Sean. Okay? But Jaguar White received a phone call from Ray J. Okay? And that phone call, he was trying to get her to return his call. That he want to help her to get that bag, get that money. And the way he was saying it, that's why I want to bring it up so y'all can see it. The way he was talking in that because it was a voice message that he left her. That you can trust me. Or something like that. I can't remember. It's you can trust me or something like that. I'm thinking, if a person telling you stuff like that, and that why you are getting you're not giving giving money to your community or something, he was telling her. I'm thinking to myself, ooh, Lord, the way this man is talking, I would be afraid even. I think that phone call was a setup, first of all. I think that phone call was nothing but a setup. He don't want Jaguar to talk to people. He's trying to get her so she can end up like Whitney Houston in my book. Think about it. Ray J was around Whitney Houston before the tub and the water incident. Ray J seemed like he was around all the big name. Think about it. He was around with, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say that. A lot of compromising positions he's around. Think about it. He was with, what's her name? Wendy Williams. Wendy Williams wanted to show pictures of Diddley, the diddler. Okay. Want to show some pictures that she got to show Diddler is on the down low. Once Diddler got wind of that, she lost her job yes, she did. And then they put her somewhere else, got her out of it. He said, she better be gone when he get back in town. She was gone. Not there. People was always she had girls outside waiting to beat her up one day. And everybody in the office knew but her. And there's an interview of her I'm going to try to bring it up. But this is what I want to show you all. Let me see. I want to bring this up and show you all this. I got to get rid of some stuff to do that. Let me get rid of some stuff because they said I'm maxed out my amount of slides I can put in. I have maxed it out, guys. Let's see what don't get to a point that you max things out. I maxed out my slide ability to have slides put on. But I'm going to fix that right now. Okay. But Wendy Williams have never been the same. Wendy Williams have never been the same ever since. She offended. She pissed the Diddler off. She haven't been the same since. Y'all see how she is now? She's sick. She can't even remember who anybody else half of the time. Remember what that time on her TV show, she stood up and eyes bucked and she weirded out and fell to the ground like on a movie. Yeah. I wonder did that, who that had to do with. Was that Diddley doing that? The Diddler? I don't know. But anyway, he does what he's told. He's in a pit as well. He's been owned by the industry, starting with Houston. Yeah, he does do what he's told. And he's major fire and explosion on the Federal Road in Houston. News alert now. Okay. I don't know. I don't want that devil released for the safety of the witness and the victims. Please don't let that devil be released. I'm with you on that, Justice. He was trying to locate her and silence her. Yeah. Now that's what my brain cell's been coming up with. He wants to find out where Jag is. And once he found out where he's at, but I don't think the Diddler is the only person that's sending for her. She ain't calling for none of them. They sending for her. Okay. I think it had to do something with Clyde Davis sending for her. And what's his name? Let me find paper so I can say these people's names right. Let me find my Diddley papers because I want to say all these people's names. Urshan. I think y'all should know who I'm talking about. Urshan. What is his name? It's Urshan something. Oh, let me see what that man's name is. Oh, I'm trying to look for him. Lucian Granger, Grain or something like that. Lucian Grain and Clyde Davis. I think that's his name. But anyway, yeah. I think they're the ones want to know where she's at. They're the ones want to say, you're talking too much. You need to be quiet. I think that's what I think. That's what's coming in my mind when I think about this. That these people, these are the top. Diddy is just the ones that got to keep the industry, the rappers, the music industry, keep them in line, whether it's any means necessary. And we see what his any means necessary is like. Okay? You don't play ball with him, your career is ended, or you're blackballed, or you're in somebody's hospital room, laying up in a bed. You know what I mean? If you ain't laying up in somebody's bed, you just been unalive by pneumonia. How do all these young people get pneumonia and die? I mean, unalive. How do they all be getting this pneumonia so quickly? That is the strangest thing to me. It really is. But, you know, he's, like they say, ain't no party like a Diddy party. We all trying to figure out what the Diddy party is. When you at a Diddy party, he let everybody know you got to go home at a certain time. You can't just be out doing your thing at a Diddy party. So Jaguar Wright, thank God she didn't take that phone call, or she missed that phone call, because the way he was talking in that, let me see, is this it? I'm trying to find that so you all can listen to it, or I can read it to you about that phone call. Okay, I do have a Janice Combs, what she's, oh yeah, talking about her since she just went into the courthouse this morning. I guess we're gonna have to talk about her letter, her statement she made. You know, because she did make a statement. Yeah. So we're going to talk about that one too. But so he want Jack to get in touch with him, and he was adamant. He was like, "You need to get in touch with me. You giving money to other people, but you need to put it in the community and all this stuff." Something he was saying. I'm thinking, what the heck? Is this man that lost his mind? Do he think Jaguar is that crazy? That woman ain't crazy. That's what most people want to be think. She's crazy. But she's not crazy, guys. Jaguar is smart. Okay? When I say she's smart, she knows what she's doing. Diddy and all with something to lose. Clyde, Jay-Z, Diddy, and Lucian Grain. That's his name, Lucian Grain. Thank you. I couldn't remember that name that well, but thank you for saying his name. That's it. And y'all know I ain't talking about him. I'm not talking about him. I'm just saying what I heard. Okay? Okay? Okay. But let me just say this. She didn't respond to them. But she also, there's one big blogger, huge blogger, right? That's had put her down, calling her crazy. Don't believe, she's, like that she would never be on his show. He would not have somebody like that on his show, right? Guess what? Since she did that show with Piers Morgan, that's his name, Piers Morgan. Now he wants her on his platform. How you want somebody on your platform after you called them crazy, this and that, and they ain't got good sense. You will not believe a thing coming out of their mouth. Now you want them on your platform. Okay? So a lot of people are coming out, you know. And y'all know I'm going to tell you something. I don't talk about Suge Knight for nobody. That's one person I ain't talking about. I ain't talking about Suge Knight, but I'm going to talk about him right now. Okay? I said I ain't talking about him. I'm not talking about him. I'm just telling something I heard. Okay? Just something I heard. Okay? So I'm not talking about him because, But anyway, Ray J was on, what's his name of his show? Como. He got a brother. It's two of them. He had a brother. They're from New York, right? Or something like that. But anyway, he was on their show. Ray J. And then they had Suge Knight on there. Suge Knight is he's in the Popo. He's behind lockup, right? Doing a long, he's going to be in there for a long, long time. It ain't like he's getting out anytime soon. He ain't getting out no time soon. So, but anyway, they was talking about how and they had a few more people on the show too. But and I don't understand why Ray J is there. Ray J to me seems like another Stevie J. Yeah. He seems like another Stevie J. Stevie J is like the hype man, the pickup queen. Did I say queen? Strike that from the record. But I did say queen, didn't I? I did call Stevie J the pickup queen. We're going to strike that from the record. I'm not in the courthouse right now, but I'm on my platform, so we're going to strike that from the record. Okay? But Ray J is doing the most. I thought Stevie J was doing the most. But Stevie J, I think the reason he was doing the most on Love and Hip Hop with Jocelyn, because he was trying to hide that he's saucy. He's spicy. He's one of the, to me, he ain't nothing but a S worker. SEX worker for P. Diddy. He do what P. Diddy tell him to do and how to do it. And I think Ray J, let me just tell you, this is not new. I'm gonna tell you what, when I started thinking about Ray J. Let me see what you said, Justice. She's been talking, but she was now on a national platform, and that was what caused them to panic. Yeah, she was on that national Piers Morgan's platform on live TV. Oh, Lord. And they panicked like crazy. Then she gets the phone call. Now Ray J is making on the Como show. He's on there with a white shirt on and a black necktie and a black suit, looking like he's a man about his business or something. He forgot he got a whole, oh Lord of my. He used to pick up bones. He's the bone collector. He's the cleanup man. But the cleanup man and the bone collector and all them folks like Stevie J, they was doing that screaming too, just like Meek Mills. Let me see, can I find that on my thing so we can hear that, so y'all can hear what that was sounding like. He was let me see, can I find it? I got it, guys. These people are coming out of here. Let me see something. These people are coming. They are panicking. Here it is. Let me go check on my baby, guys. Baby is not. I can hear baby all in here, and you. Let me see. I'm trying to find that where what is his name? Meek Mills was begging for his life in that room, getting pounded. Bang, 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 bang. Calling somebody daddy. Yes. He was screaming for his life. Until they bring this up, I'm trying to find it. Oh yeah, and don't forget J-Lo. But before we get to J-Lo, let's go ahead and finish talking about Wendy Williams. Okay? Wendy Williams is not the same ever since she P. Diddy found out that she know about him. He been riding her and slowly making people think she's crazy and losing her mind. They got her on that stuff, allegedly. She's been talking, but she was on a national platform. Okay, and they panicked. Yeah. Ray J is an errand boy, hitman. To some, yeah. Ray J just got out of jail beating his wife, Princess. Yes, he did. And his babies called the police on him, hitting their mama. Yeah. Yeah, he did. And I guess he said, P. Diddy, you need to make that go away for me. You need to work on that. You need to make that go away. But anyway, Wendy Williams have never been the same since then. Think about this. Wendy Williams is not an old woman. Wendy Williams been around forever. And then all of a sudden, she falling and stumbling and can't put two good words together. She's on Jupiter somewhere, and you're on the Earth, and she's up in on another planet somewhere. Yeah, think about this. Something is wrong with that picture. And then also, I know she was happy to finally see him behind bars, because now he can't do nothing. And not just her, everybody is happy. They even showed Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber was out in front of his house or on the lawn or somewhere. He was somewhere. And then when a reporter hollered out that Combs have been arrested, he just threw his hands up in the air. I don't know, did he give him the fingers or what he was doing with his hands up in the air? But I know after that happened, then he took his baby and wife out for the first time after that. They went to church. Yeah. They went to church. So, and I would say he is one of Diddy's victims that still having a hard time. The man, to me, was pimped. He was turned over to somebody I would not even leave. I wouldn't even leave my grandmama at this house. If she was living, not even leave her at his house. Anything could happen. I got to sneeze. Excuse me, guys. It came really quick. Okay. I'm trying to see what's going on. So we're going to keep our eyes on this here. You see, nobody is coming out. And if I miss this, I would have a fit. I would have a fit if I missed this. Okay. So I don't want to miss it. But let me go ahead and put see what else is going on while they got that coming out to us. You know, Pinkie ain't gonna miss that. Pinkie ain't gonna miss that for nobody. Okay, we're gonna hear what. Let me see what I want to. Let's listen to what some of his last victims that came out to say. So while this, I'm going to keep an eye on this. If anything breaks, I will stop that video right quick and get to the hand that matter. Okay? Did I say the hand that matter? Get to the matter at hand. That's what I meant to say. That's what I meant to say. Y'all know. Okay. Let's see what they're talking about right quick. Okay? They're watching it too, live. So they're watching it too. So I'm going to just bring theirs because they're, I tend to watch him a lot. I love watching him. So I'm going to keep this here where we are here, but they're watching it too. So we ain't going to get sidetracked by nobody. Okay. But while I bring this up, don't forget about J-Lo. J-Lo is running scared, guys. That woman is running like a banshee out of nowhere because she knows there's some damaging evidence. And word came out that, and she know it, that she lied. It's been released. She lied about the gun. Oh, did I say that about the pow pow? She lied that, and I'm gonna I think there's a statement made from her. She lied that Shine on Shine when she knew that she took that pow pow out of her purse. Shine did not, and she gave that pow pow to the diddler, allegedly. But she backed up what the diddler wanted her to say and helped put this man behind prison walls for over 10 years. 10 years behind prison walls. And she knew this man was rotting in jail over her lie. How can you go and be a big time singer, traveling all across the world, and you lying on an innocent man to help to help your boyfriend? And allegedly, allegedly, in my opinion, but what I heard on the streets are talking, that's the reason that she's the divorce from Ben Affleck, her ex-husband now, because videos was given to him showing that allegedly that she lied. Videos was given to him showing her that she was part of it, implicating what she said was a lie. Showed exactly what happened. And you can't say, oh, that's not me. Oh, I didn't do that. There it is right there. You want me to pull it back up and show you what you did? Yeah, you gave him the gun. Sean didn't have his hands on the gun. And that woman even said, the woman that got pow in the face, shot in the face. She even said Diddy was the one that shot pow her in the face. Okay, but anyway, this is a P. Diddy SEX assault lawsuit. Okay, the source, U.S. Federal Court, Southern Division of New York. Mr. Combs shared that he was responsible for the shooting in the nightclub in New York City with rapper Shine. He shared that artist and Mr. Combs' girlfriend at the time, Jennifer Lopez, aka J-Lo, carried the pow into the club for him and passed him the gun after he got into an altercation with another individual. And the source for this is the U.S. Federal Court, Southern Division of New York. Mr. Combs shared that he was responsible for the shooting in the nightclub at the New York City with the rapper Shine. He shared that the artist and Mr. Combs' girlfriend at the time, Jennifer Lopez, aka J-Lo, carried the GUN into the club for him. Now listen to this, for him, and passed him the GUN after he got into an altercation with another individual. So she carried it into the club, which was in her purse. For who? The diddler. And then she passed him the pow after he got into an altercation with somebody in the club. Okay. And my understanding is that's why. Somebody, word on the street, that's why they got a divorce. Okay, let's hear what I love this guy. I really do. I watch, he is really great. Okay, let's get to it. I'm gonna but I'm gonna keep the other one up just in case. We're not gonna get rid of that because when it comes, I got to be ready. I got to be ready. Oh, what did you say about Oprah? Oprah is a very angry and in tears of exposure. Children brought in from Africa school. Parents want their missing kids. Yeah, what happened with that? Okay, wait. Let me just share this here right quick. Oh, wait, I need to bring this down. Because I don't want to miss anything. But I got to go. And while we're watching this, okay. Here we go, right here. Man.
Take everybody's pulse. December's a pretty good time.
Let me just say, Law and Order. Okay. It will be down in my description tab below the video for the source of this video. Okay. It will be down at the bottom. Let me take this off so y'all can, here we go.
I think everybody expected him to do.
Now, Mark Agnifilo, who's representing Sean Combs, one member of, I think it's now being teamed his dream team. I don't know, but his dream team. Mark Agnifilo is asking the court for a gag order. It says that the concern is that the agents have been leaking grand jury information and making other prejudicial statements. Ava, this is what we anticipated, that they were going to bring that up. What do you make of it?
Absolutely. Right now, it's all speculation that they're making regarding the gag order, and I won't be surprised if the prosecutors also request a gag order against Sean Diddy Combs in order to prevent him from talking to victims.
This have been on an hour. They're watching for the what's going on in the courtroom just like we are. So this only been live, and this is live. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get back to it.
Not want their jury pool exposed to any more comments, any more statements, or any more videos that may be at the disposal of the federal government or whomever turned it over. So smart move by the defense. I would expect the government to say, sure, we're all in.
Well, Ava, this is the government's response. The government says, this is a live update, is saying, they said the defense is trying to exclude a damning piece of evidence. This is, I believe, in regarding the video, the 2016 video. The press statements, they are not from the prosecution team. The government says that it is significant that that's the case. The government is requesting the judge defer any ruling until they get the papers. Thoughts?
Right. And the prosecutors asked for 3 weeks to be able to put together their papers. And I wouldn't be surprised if there's an evidentiary hearing that comes out of this. I mean, they're saying he's not going to have his Sixth Amendment right to a fair trial. And that's something judges take very seriously.
Big question for you. This is from Pinkie on YouTube. How much time is Sean Combs looking at if he's convicted of all the charges?
I'll send it to you.
Well, I think it's I think it's life in prison, if I'm correct. I mean, we're looking at what, 15 years to life in prison. The racketeering charge could be 20 years. Brian, am I wrong about that? I mean, minimum 15,
yeah, I mean, somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 to 20, I would think would be a guideline kind of area that he could expect with these kind of charges. So, yeah.
What about life in prison?
This isn't a life case. I can't even fathom that there might even be a possibility that this would be a life case.
Another question. This is from Helena Chavez Adams. Are the sons being looked into being involved? Now, we know that Justin Combs has been mentioned in a lawsuit. We know Christian Combs is facing his own sexual assault lawsuit. They haven't been charged. They are with their father in court. What do you think? Their role that they may play in this criminal case?
Well, we know that the prosecutor sent out, they said in one of their correspondence, 300 subpoenas, 100 have been turned back. So there may be evidence somewhere in there that the sons are being looked at. But I think right now we're just waiting to see how it all unfolds. Brian,
this is a question that has been a common theme in the sidebars that I've done. This is from Dana Gilson on YouTube. At what point are people able to be legally responsible for not reporting a criminal act that they witness or suspect? Will hotel employees be charged for not reporting potential abuse? This becomes a common question when we talk about whether or not big-time celebrities who maybe were at the parties and noticed something, or at the freak-offs and noticed something, even if they didn't engage in criminal behavior, if they saw it and didn't report it, could they be legally responsible?
I don't think there are any charges that could emanate in a federal proceeding for simply witnessing a crime and not stopping it or not notifying law enforcement. Now, take an active role in covering it up, take an active role in participating, or on a whole different level of conversation. But I think the answer to that question, at least in every case I've ever been involved in, is no.
Okay, now we have another update from court. The judge has said the order would prohibit any further leaking of information to the media. It would be furnished to DHS agents. So it seems to be entertaining the idea of a gag order. The government responded, "We have no problem. Affirm our obligation not to speak to the press. We object to an order about future leaks. If so, should be reciprocal," right? So it goes both ways. How would that work in terms of if there is a gag order? Would we all just be scouring legal filings to get more information about this case? I imagine his attorneys wouldn't do any press. There would be no more press conferences. What would that look like, a gag order that would really seal information about this?
It really just depends on what is in the gag order and to what extent. If it is that neither side can talk to the press, then yeah, I think we're going to be waiting at the edge of our seats till the next court update and be listening attentively at what happens at each court appearance.
Brian, going back to you, this is something that you reiterated before, but I think it's important to mention once more. Bree Alexis on YouTube asks, at what point will we know if other defendants become part of this indictment?
Yeah, I mean, there's no easy answer to that. I would think it would be quick, meaning I think within the next couple of months, if there's going to be a superseding indictment, and that's really what the question is asking about, whether there'll be additional charges and or additional defendants, I think you're going to see it within the next 60 days. I'd be stunned if the prosecution didn't move quickly if they have it. The only problem is going to be, what if they develop evidence in February? Now, what if somebody comes forward in February, they find something in February? You know, it's an ongoing investigation. There's civil litigation here. And sometimes the feds really don't know what some of these civil practitioners have in terms of evidence and what they've developed. What if they get that 2 months from now or 3 months from now? What if there's an objection to it and they can't get to it? That would be the only way I would think you'd see a superseding indictment after the new year.
And that means that trial ain't happening in April or May, right?
No way.
No way.
No way.
Okay, I have a question for you, Ava. Update. Judge says, draft an order, maybe see what a gag order would look like. Open the floor for objections. The government said, we have concerns about Mr. Agnafilo's statement. Again, this is the defense attorney, Mark Agnafilo. We have concerns about Mr. Agnafilo's statement. He basically accused the government of engaging in a racist prosecution. So the government's taking offense to the allegations put forward by Combs' defense team.
As they should. I mean,
AUSA Johnson. I'll read you a quote. Mr. Agnafilo said, "They make the case as the takedown of a successful black man. The statements have been picked up." Agnafilo responds, "This should have been in the letter." So, you know, look, that's not a legal argument, though, right? If this goes to trial, can his defense team say this is a racist prosecution? Can they make that argument?
I think that they could make whatever argument they need to advance. And as we saw, they could, you know, say, well, look at the video. They leaked it, whatever they're going to bring. I think the key for them here is they're just trying to take the spotlight away from the alleged activity that Combs was involved in and paint him to be the victim here.
So, Brian, look, you have represented some high-profile people, right? We've talked about the participation in your involvement in representing Bill Cosby. When you are representing a very high-profile individual, let's say a Sean Combs, what does that look like? What are the difficulties of representing somebody like him?
The biggest difficulties I always found is trying to write the narrative in the media. You've received an avalanche of adverse publicity, and you're going to take it upon yourself to overcome that. It doesn't work. And that's why I think the defense is smart to ask for a gag order here. They're not going to get favorable publicity no matter how hard they try. That's one of the problems. The other problem with celebrities, I will tell you, is, and it's just some of them, not all of them, but they have their own camps and they have their own professionals that surround them. And sometimes these folks think they're trial lawyers when they're not. And so, you know, what Mr. Combs ought to be doing is taking his advice from his dream team, which he's going to be paying a lot of money for and which are all excellent lawyers, and not some of the people that like to chirp in their ears. That always is a bit of a problem. They're very wealthy folks. They're very brilliant folks, but they're not lawyers, and they got to trust their lawyers. That would be the one thing that that you'll have to overcome as a lawyer in this case.
Brian, if I may, I have to ask you, do you think his lawyers advised him to put out that apology video on Instagram after the release of the 2016 video of him purportedly beating Cassandra Ventura? Or do you think that was him going rogue and ultimately saying, I'm going to put this out?
Rogue for a while. I'm convinced his lawyers told him to do that. Listen, it was devastating. Yeah. What are you going to say about it? You can't spin it. So apologize for it and say, yeah, I did that. I'm not a great guy, but I didn't do what they've accused me of. I'm not that guy.
Yeah. The problem is he admitted to a crime, and when he knew he was under investigation.
It was a crime. That was one of those things, and I know what you're saying, but it's like, don't believe your lying eyes. Yeah. So you can't.
Okay, guys, I told you we're still keeping up with everything that's going on. And so we're still waiting to see what's going to come out of when they're going to come out of the courthouse. I don't know when he's going to come out, but I'm going to put our eyes back on those doors. And then we're going to talk more about the case. So I'm getting ready to put the one about with the Associated Press, AP, put theirs back up. Like I said, we're going to keep our eyes on that courthouse. When it breaks, we're going to be watching it live too, because this is live, guys. So when it breaks, you can see the chatter in the chat is going, wow. You can see these people are from everywhere. The chatter in the chat is wow. It is going wow. Something must be, because we didn't see the people in the suits standing outside, and something must be coming up, because all of a sudden you see all the officers are near the door now. That wasn't like that before, so something must be coming. I don't know what it is, but something is coming. Something is coming. Okay. So we do have audio here. So something must be getting ready to come. Oh, yeah. I'm going to be quiet so I can see what's going on. Okay? I do think, guys, something is getting ready to happen. And if anybody is just coming in or just watching from the bushes, this is about the Diddler, P. Diddy, Sean Puffy Combs, Dr. Not Dr. Love, Brother Love, Puff Daddy, the Diddler. Okay? Yeah, that's who we're talking about today. This will be his third time in the courthouse. He got himself a new dream team. Yes, he do. He got a new dream team, guys. Y'all know I'm not talking about them people, but I am. The chat, this is live and the chat is going crazy. So until something happens, let me just get back to, let me see. Something is getting ready to happen. And can't nobody tell me because I'm reading the writing on that courthouse door. Something is getting ready to happen. Yes, I am. I'm reading it. But while that is coming up, let me go ahead and we're going to talk about the latest victims, the latest people that this man have harmed or hurt or forced or coerced to do something, okay, that they didn't want to do. They didn't sit out to say, hey, can you make me do this? No. So let's go over some of those things, okay? Let's go over some of those things. We're going to pull up the interview. Let me get it pulled up, guys. The interview with, let me see. With the last victim that was with her attorney, Gloria Aldridge. Oh, that attorney did go into the courthouse. For everyone that wasn't here when I first started the live, the victim's attorney did go into the courtroom. Okay? She did. Let me show you this. Let me see. This is 38 minutes long. I don't want to miss nothing. But tell you what, I'm going to be keeping an eye on what's going on at the courthouse. So if anything breaks, anything changes, I will stop this and we'll go right into it, okay? So I'm not going to let nobody miss this. You would not miss this because I would not be missing it. Let me just see what's going on right now before we go into it. See, I watch the way the people are moving on the outside and who's going in and who's coming out. You see the reporters, everybody is standing outside waiting. That's what I'm going to, I can't be there in person, but I'm waiting right here. I'm not a reporter, but I am a content creator. It's a lot of chatter going on. And we have not been muted. Chatter is going on now. So that means somebody got the mic going or they testing the mics for some reason right now. Guys, when you're coming in, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Hit that like button, even if you're in the bushes. Hit that like button. No, I'm getting more. So because we can hear people on the mics right now, that's letting me know.
At Floret, getting the flooring of your dreams is.
I don't care nothing about this woman getting the flooring of her dream right now. Okay. Because you can hear them, the mics are going. That means they must be testing the mics right now. Because before you couldn't hear a peep, you couldn't hear a fly drop. And now all of a sudden you can hear everything. let me know they're getting ready for something. When they get ready, I need to be ready. I need to be ready for everything. Hmm. See those two men, they're out. Something is getting ready to happen, guys. But until then, let me. They're trying to silence Jaguar right now. They got little AJ, not AJ, Ray J. He's such a little bitty man. He makes me think he's a little kid sometimes. But anyway, they got him as the bone collector out there trying to find him. They want it. I don't think the Diddler was able to say anything to get her. I think this was done by the higher ups, the other two men. Wait.
First for everything, Bill. Bill, first for everything. First for everything. Maybe she can get you. Nobody yelled at her to come to the light. We're all good with it. We're all good with it.
They never brought up a bail application. Why not? Bail pending a criminal prosecution is mandatory. It's mandatory. You can't deprive the person
Okay.
of bail.
Who is this man,
Because
guys?
you have a right to be convicted before you can be subjected
Oh,
to the
who
penalty
is he?
of the crime. You can't have the punishment before the conviction. Due process mandates
Who is
bail
this man?
release pending a conviction. You understand,
I hope we find out soon who this man is. I don't know who he is. Whether he's someone.
Listen, my name is Ari and I'm a paralegal. The United States Constitution mandates no one is subjected to the penalties of a crime without a conviction. Therefore, it's mandatory that Mr. Combs be released pending a conviction. Also, they try to say that he may have tampered with witnesses, etc. There's no evidence that he did this subsequent to being charged. They try to say that he presents a flight risk and everything like that. There's no evidence that he ever sought to evade prosecution. It's called pre-invention. You can't do that. You can't say punish a person for something they might do. They can only punish a person for something they have done. So law mandates that he be released pending his trial, and that any deprivation constitutes a fundamental deprivation or violation of due process.
Thank you.
Let's see, Randy. I'm not sure. Go ahead, try.
There you go.
Who's next?
You messing up my.
Who's going to walk up to the mics next? You get a good audio check? Winner. Good mic check.
Guys, that was my grandbaby messing up my TV with the remote. But who was that man?
I'm a paralegal.
I just don't know who he was, but I'm going to find out later.
I don't believe he's a paralegal because that information was false.
But they said they don't believe he's a paralegal.
I didn't say he was a good paralegal. There we go. Heads up. What's the mother wearing?
She has a big blonde. Excuse me,
Blonde hair.
Big blonde.
She's at the front. Right there. That's right. Can you speak at the microphones? You love your son. Let's go. Any comment?
Okay, guys. They are. I don't know who is this coming in. Somebody is coming in. Let me see who this is. Ooh. It would pay to be a tall person right now. Because those cameras are not lightweight. I know. My son got a couple of those big hitters. They are some heavy cameras.
Watch yourself. Get on the sidewalk, please.
There's a car coming for somebody. Coming in or coming.
Speak in the microphones, please. At the microphone.
Can you speak in the microphone?
Yeah, the microphones are over here.
Come up front, please.
Microphones, guys.
Did y'all see that sign? The night puppy tried to pay out LL something. Turning into the Diddler Circus. This is a circus for the Diddler. The chat is going crazy. Now, guys, for anybody new, this is the Diddler. Third time. Behind these. There it goes, guys. I'm going to mute myself so I can listen to it.
I could never remember what I said.
I will be muting myself so I can listen.
Sometimes the more you push a person down, the stronger they get. And so he's making an adjustment. He had his family here today to support him. We really want to put an end to all of the clowning that we see on the internet. It's a serious proceeding, serious consequences, and all of us are addressing it accordingly.
Anthony, is it a racist proceeding, as Marcus said?
Nobody's okay with staying in jail for now. Okay, thank you very much. That's it for today.
That's all they're going to say? Who? That's it? Said nobody's okay staying in jail that time? He's been in jail since September the 16th.
What was his name?
Who was he?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Was he part of the new legal team? I don't know. He didn't act like it.
Christian.
Inquiring minds want to know.
What's that? No, Mark did the one that came in earlier.
Who, Lord?
He's going to come out and Mark, the one we got at fucking Christmas. What's up? The other lawyer. Oh, the other lawyer hasn't come out? The one that I know. The one I gave you the picture of.
The other lawyer have not came out.
You shoot going in. No,
The one that
the guy
the one I said that looks like he's scared to death. Yeah, he hasn't came out. I haven't seen him come out. To me, I haven't seen nobody that looked like a new legal team come out. I don't know what these other gentlemen came out. I don't know who they are. Everybody want to come out and say something, but who are you? Who are you to P. Diddy? Who are you to the Diddler? Are you his new legal team? Are you just his new mouthpiece? Did he just hire you so you can come up here and sound like you got a lot of support?
He has more than one attorney.
I don't know.
Mark is the Oh, this guy just spoke. He's
But you got real people out here that you hurt. Real people.
Yeah.
so the main attorney.
I don't think so. But I'm staying up for now. Dad, you need Daddy, you want the card?
Who is this?
You'll have everything you need.
Oh, somebody coming out with boxes and wagons of information. Who are they? They got wagons of information. I don't know who they are. But they did, the man that was speaking did say he had his family there. I saw his mother go in.
Christian, I got a splitter in my car.
I heard that his mother got like 80 years old or 80 some years old. But that's her age. She was good. She's walking around and strutting around like she's in her 60s. That means she look good. I ain't throwing no shade, but that means she look good. If you look good, I'm gonna just say it. There's a lot of people that want to be her age. They look like, I'm not gonna say it. And a lot of people that's much younger than her, they look like they need a whole body lift. I ain't gonna say it. Y'all know. Y'all make sure y'all hit my like buttons, even if y'all in the bushes. I'm not asking everybody to be on the line because I know some of y'all, unless I'm sitting here dragging him right now like he's a puppy, not the puppet, a puppet. Or if I'm not turning corner in all the salacious information, y'all ain't about it. But that's okay. If it ain't salacious and scandalous, it is salacious and scandalous, but it's behind closed doors right now. Hi, Patricia Peaches. Thank you for coming in. We are waiting word on this is live though. Peaches, this is live. This is live coverage. P. Diddy, the diddler, third appearance in front of the judge. But this is him appearing because he have to appear for his SEX trafficking charges. Today is Thursday, October the 10th. This man is, but he got, my understanding, he got a new legal team.
Maybe on specific things that they could talk, but they can't talk about anything related to the case.
Because oh, let me show you all something. Let me show y'all something. Remember this? Y'all remember that? Look out, all those bottles of baby oil. Golly. You know what? Wait, I'm puzzled right now. I am puzzled. I just noticed this. I am puzzled right now. I am truly puzzled right now. And I'm going to have to ask my family, what do they think this is? Anybody in the chat, I want y'all to tell me, what do you think this is? Over to the right, over to the left. Look at the left. You see that thing that's sticking out, that white thing that's sticking out. You see the clothes in front of it, scattered out. But that thing in between those two sinks, what is that? Is that a toilet? If that's a toilet, I'm going to say, shut the door. Shut my mouth up right now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut the door. Shut my mouth right now. That means I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to stop talking for 1 whole year. I'm just lying about that, but I'm not going to stop talking. But shut the door. If that's a toilet, people put it in the comments. Tell me what you all, guys, y'all need to come out of the bushes. Tell me what you think that thing is over to the right. Let me blow this up because I got to see this. That looks like a toilet with the top down. That looks like a toilet.
She spoke. Dan has that.
Don't tell me if that's a toilet. I'm going to shut up. I'm flabbergasted right now. I am outdone. It's time for me to do some dragging. I'm going to drag. I'm getting ready to talk and hey, because I've never seen a toilet like sitting out in the middle of nowhere in $1 million house. If this ain't $1 million house, is this 48 million? It could be 50 million, 70 million, 40.
Fair has helped us find products that align with our taste and values. Our store is unique because we're selling bright and colorful.
Okay. But nobody's coming in right now. Okay. Let me show you. We're not going to miss it. See, I still got it behind this picture. Okay. I still got it up. Nobody's coming in and out without me seeing them. Okay. I ask you all, what is that, a toilet? If that's a toilet, I'm outdone. You know why? I have never in my life seen a toilet that sits out in the middle of nowhere in a multi-million-dollar house. Millions and millions of dollar house. That's some hood stuff there. That toilet sits out in the middle of nowhere. Well, maybe let me get this picture out of the way. But look at all those bottles. What the heck? He needs to stay in jail. He needs to stay in jail. You know why? Because he will go buy more baby oil. He'll send them people out and tell them to go get me some more baby oil. Go get me some more baby oil. I'm going to see what's happening right then. He's going to say, go get me some more. He needs to stay in jail because ain't nobody got no more baby oil. He got everybody that got running out and buying baby oil like it's about to go out. Like we're going to have a shortage or something, like rationing. Everybody thinks we're going to be a rationing if he gets back out because he's going to order up all the baby oil. So they need to keep this butt in because we got people down here that got babies. We just got through talking about my baby Phoenix right here. Phoenix is just 6 months old. We use baby oil. You put baby oil on his skin, on his legs, on his back. Well, you don't need it in his hair. Because baby girl told me, you don't put baby oil in white folks' hair. He ain't white folks. But he got hair like white folks. He's a biracial baby, so, but his hair is just like mama. So it's just, and she thinks she can't, oh Lord, she don't know what but you still supposed to put baby oil. But you don't have to put baby oil. You just rub it with your hand. All of a sudden the hair just looked like he just got through being on the cover of a magazine. Just saying. But P. Diddy, the diddler, and took all the baby oil and probably got orders already waiting to come in, thinking he's gonna get out. So y'all, he gets out, the baby oil is gonna be gone. And his lawyer tried to say that Costco, he ordered his order back through Costco. Costco, no, you're right. They say they don't even sell baby oil. And if they did, he didn't order it from us. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. I'm going to be quiet, guys. Here he comes. That's the attorney. You don't seem like too sure of yourself.
Thanks for all this for waiting. I'm really not going to make much of a statement. As you know, I made a request for the judge to issue what we call the gag order, and the judge is going to issue it on a reciprocal basis. So I'm not going to say anything that I didn't say in my papers and in court. We submitted a written motion last night that states our position. I'm not going to say anything in addition to it, but I didn't want to leave all you guys hanging, and I wanted to say at least that I wasn't going to say. So that's all I'm going to say and not say. Thank you all. I hope that gives you what you need, but I'm not going to say anything that I haven't said in court and that I haven't said in my court papers. So you all have a nice day, and thank you very much.
How is he doing? How is he doing?
I saw your bullshit motion. It's full of social media. It's bullshit. Fugazi. I saw your whole motion. You put it together with ChatGPT. Your client is a monster and a predator. We're going to keep our foot on his neck. He's never getting out of prison. Tell him Gilmore said that.
Lisa, give this to Dan.
Y'all
Lisa, give this to Dan. And I need a card back. I don't have anything in my camera right now. Okay.
That was a lot from the bystander, not from the attorney. The attorney came out, hung his back on one of those things, on one of those little gate things, and said 2 words to me. 2 sentences. No, 3. George, the judge, they wanted the request that the judge order a gag order. A gag order. Okay, gag order. Okay, and then he didn't say anything else, and he's saying, I'm not going to say anything else. And told everybody bye, just bye. That's what he did. That's it, guys. He just ordered a gag order and said bye to everybody. Ain't much to be said. Ain't much to be said. What else can you say? I guess that's it. Because I'm going to go spend time with my baby. Yeah. Because Phoenix want to show me some of the things he can do. That's it. That is it. So, guys, I'm going to be dropping a recorded video on P. Diddy on the latest information, okay? I'm going to have to do it recorded, okay? Pre-recorded. All right. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for showing up. Thank you guys for caring about all the people and all the victims that he have hurt and still trying to get his butt out. He don't need to be out. He needs to stay where he's at. He's standing in a wonderful place. Hell on earth. They call it hell on earth. The Metropolitan Detention Center. They call it hell on earth. That's where he's at. And to me, he needs to stay. Okay, guys. Thank you all for showing up. And you all have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.